Hello to our standard students, welcome back to applications of matrices and determinants. Today we are going to see example 1.32. We are going to test for consistency and if possible solve. Okay, test the consistency. Now for testing the consistency, first we have to write Ax equal to B and then the augmented matrix AB, reduce it to row echelon form. Okay, for row echelon form I have given you the hints. What we have to do is below the principal diagonal you make all the elements as 0 and this 0 should be in the increasing order starting from the second row. In second row it should be 1 0 and in third row 2 zeros or more and so on. Okay, if you have fourth 0 it will be equal to third row or more than the third row. Okay, and then one more thing, when you reduce the zeros for column 1 you get the help of R1 row 1 and in column 2 you get the help of row 2, and always the first element A11 of the matrix should be 1. If there is a 1 in some other row, you can interchange the rows. Otherwise, if there is no 1 at all, no need to bother. You can proceed with the given numbers itself. Okay. And as far as consistent is concerned, 3 types. Inconsistent you will get 2 and in 1 is inconsistent. For consistent, what should you notice? After reducing to the row echelon form, rank of AB should be equal to rank of A should be equal to number of unknown. Number of unknown is 3 cross 3, 3 very unknown. So, it is going to be 3 always. And if they are equal, then it is consistent and it has unique solution. And second one, if a rank of AB equal to rank of A but it is less than the number of unknowns, unknown is 3, so it is less than 3 means it should be 2 or 1, then it is consistent and it has got infinitely many solutions. And then coming to inconsistent, when it will be inconsistent means when rank of AB not equal to rank of A, then it is inconsistent. Therefore, hence it is inconsistent. It does not have a solution. Okay. Now we shall go into our problem. We'll write our Ax equal to B. Before that, check all the equations. Their constants are on the right hand side. So you can proceed to Ax to B. What is our A? 1 minus 1, 1, 2 minus 1, 1, 3 minus 1, 1, and 4 minus 1, 2. Here they have given us 4 equations. So this is going to be about 3 unknowns. Okay, this is going to be our A. What is our X? X, Y and Z. This is going to be our X. And what is our B? The constants on the right hand side, minus 9, 4, 6 and 7. Okay. Now we will write the augmented matrix A comma B. 1 minus 1, 1. And here it is minus 9. Second row minus 1, 1, constant 4. Third row 3 minus 1, 1 and constant is 6. And 4 minus 1, 2 and our constant is 7. And drop the line in between to show it is augmented matrix. And in the first row you have got 1, so you don't need to interchange any row. You can directly start your reducing elements. So below this 1 you are going to make all the elements 0. So for that you are going to take the help of R1. Okay, so 3 rows you are going to consider. So first we will go to row 2 minus 2 R1. Similarly row 3 minus 3 R1. And row 4 minus 4 R1. Okay, what is our row 2? 2 minus 1, 1 and 4. 2 into row 1, 2 minus 2, 2 and minus 18. Change your sign, minus, plus, minus, plus. Okay, these are equal. So 0, this is 1, this is minus 1 and this is going to be 22 because both are of the same sign. 18 plus 4 you are going to get it as 22. This is our row 2. This is row 2. Okay, now row 3, write your row 3. This is row 2, this is row 3, this is row 4. So you can write like this. This will make your sums easy because you will not go wrong when you take and write the row. Okay, nothing wrong in writing anything, which helps you in easy calculation. Now our row 3, 3 minus 1, 1 and 6. 3 into R1, 3 minus 3, 3 and minus 27. 3 nines are 27. Change your sign throughout because both are of the same sign. You are going to convert the sign. This is equal 0, this is 2, this is minus 2. This you are going to add, so it is going to give you as 33. Okay, this is going to be our row 3. Now coming to row 4, 4 minus 1, 2 and 7. When you multiply by 4, it is going to be 4 minus 4, 4 and 4 9s are minus 36. Subtract. Change your sign. Minus plus gets cancelled. 0, 3, minus 2, both are plus. So 36 plus 7 is going to give you 43 and sign is plus. And this is going to be our row 4. Now you write your equivalent matrix. First row is going to be the same, 1 minus 1, 1 and minus 9. Row 2, 0, 1 minus 1 and 22. Row 3, 0, 2 minus 2 and 33. Row 4, 0, 3 minus 2 and 43. Drop the line. This is going to be our augmented matrix. Okay, now we have got the first column zeros. Now we are going to go to the second column. So below this 1, you are going to make it 0. So you are going to take the help of R2. Okay, so R2 only you are going to reduce, isn't it? So R3 only you are going to reduce. R3 equal to R3 minus 2R2. And similarly our R4 minus 3R2. Okay, what is our R3? This is our R3, this is our R4. 0, 2 minus 2 and 33. 2 into R2, 0, 2 minus 2 and 44. Change your sign. Plus and minus, this gets cancelled. 0, 0. This also gets cancelled. Now this is going to be minus 11. Okay, so this is going to be our R3. Now what about R4? R4 is 0, 3 minus 2 and 43. 3 into R2, 0, 3 minus 3 and 66. Okay, or 2 into R2. Okay, it's correct. Okay, convert your sign. Sorry, this is going to be, what is our R4? 3, isn't it? And here also it is going to be 3. Okay, convert your sign. Minus plus minus. Okay, so this gets 0, this will become 1 and this will become as minus, isn't it? So 66 minus 43 will give you 3 and 23. Okay, now write here, this is going to be our R3 and this is going to be our new R4. Equivalent matrix, 1 minus 1, 1 and minus 9. R2 remains the same, 22. R3, 0, 0, 0, minus 11. R4, 0, 0, 1 and 23. Okay, now we are going to interchange these two rows because number of zeros which are higher should come to our last row. Below the rows only you should have increasing order. So you are going to interchange. What are you going to interchange? R3 and R4 you are going to interchange. Okay, so after interchanging you will get a equivalent matrix. 1 minus 1, 1 minus 9. R2 remains the same, 0, 1, 1 minus 1, this is 0 and 22. Now R4 comes up, 0, 0, 1 and 23, and R3 goes down, 0, 0, 0 and minus 11. Drop the line. Okay, this is going to be your augmented matrix. Now have we reached our aim of getting row echelon form? Yes, it is over, isn't it? So this is our principal diagonal, isn't it? So below the principal diagonal all these elements are 0. This is our row echelon form. Okay, so now we are going to write rank of AB and rank of A. And what is our number of unknowns? Is 3, x, y, z. Okay, what is our rank of AB? Considering both the whole matrix, how many non-zero rows you have got? 1, 2, 3 and this is also 4. So how much it is? 4. Now considering rank of A means this A matrix alone 4 into 3, 4 rows and 3 columns. Here you got this is not so this is 1, this is 2, and this is going to be 3. How many non-zero rows you have got? 3. So what is the condition we are getting? Row of AB not equal to row of A. So this you need not compare itself. Here itself you can come to the conclusion. So when they are not, rank itself is not equal after reducing, that means it is inconsistent. Okay, we come to the conclusion it is inconsistent, therefore no solution for the system. Okay, so this is going to be your final answer, inconsistent and therefore no solution. Okay, thank you.